Welcome back to my channel. We are back again in a new video reaction. This is Oge Nkere, aka Master Fallback, aka Azaya Yogo. Many of you know him, different names, but the only thing is that we are not here to talk about his identity or his name. He says something that I would like you to hear, and of course, when I told you people that these guys are very good in copy, that's what they're good at. And I don't mean to insult them, but to say the record straight, like I always tell you, that we are here to make sure that we bring it to you the way it is, without adding up. We cannot just because they are trying to copy everything or lie to you, lying on everything. Would try to live the life they choose to live by themselves. No, we are here to make it clear. You can see I'm trying to make a quick reaction video. That's why I'm recording it this way. But we are going to go through this. The man you are watching, like I said, is Asayan Yogo Ogenkere, who claimed that he is the acting prime minister by fire by force, powered by Imam Madabo, and sponsored by Sanak Barawa. I mean, sponsored by his voice, not his money, So let us continue. Please, before we go straight to to this program, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. As you can see, we are trying our best to bring it to you back to back. Why? Because we have to cover everything that is supposed to be covered. So let's go to this person and make sure you like the video, please. Don't forget that part and comment. Put your comments on comment section. Tell us what you think about it. Let's watch this. Okay, so I think it's muted. Let me get the volume out for you. So
the Nigerian state.
No, start from the beginning, Oga.
Fellow Biafrans, greeting from here. Good afternoon. The Nigerian state, Nigerian terrorist zoo country, they need to leave us alone.
Now, I forgot to mention one thing. You will see him pointing his index finger up. How many of you remember the attack on Biafrans before now that COS Nkosi is a Fulani jihadist, a woman, trying to Islamize everywhere, trying to bring his her Fulani people, according to this grown up unreasonable guys. They were using that to do propaganda until Biafra began to show them pictures of Ojukwu pointing his index finger while talking, addressing people. Donald Trump, Netanyahu, Israeli prime minister, some even prime minister, Biafran government in Israel prime minister, or Biafran prime minister, the dragon himself, Simon Ekpa, and Mazam Dagan, of course. Here, their APM did not, disappoint. Okay, because you normally tell you that you normally try, flash pictures of him. Some of this, if I manage to see his video where he do that, I will screenshot it and put. Why? Because I remember a few weeks ago, internet was very, very busy. Oh, Fulani, they will spend their time trying to translate that what that feel, gets to mean when you are talking and you point your index finger up or trying to like giving warning or giving instructions, something like that, which is normal if all of us are doing it in our private life. But propagandists decided to use that against COS. Like they always lay hand on everything to drag their friends down in name of fighting for their interest. Their Oga here did not disappoint, and I would like to also pay attention to that. Let's watch this.
This fight is our fight. We will fight to the end, and we will make sure.
Number one, you see that?
Biafra land.
Okay.
In Okiwe, Biafra land, the Nigerian state have intensified on the attack. Right after Commander Gentle, just a few weeks ago, he made a statement. The Nigerian state have vowed that they will bring the Okiwe commander down.
Some of you may not understand what this guy said here. Some of you may think that what he's saying here, he was just talking about the fight going on in Okigwe. No. He started by telling you that few weeks ago that Commander Gentle said something, he made a statement. Then after that, Nigerian government decided to go after him. Do you know what that means? He's trying to tell you that after Gentle made a broadcast or a video saying that he's not receiving any money now, and they're trying to buy him. Just because I know I can decode what he's trying to say here. Now I will take it back a bit so you capture what I just said now. Okay, and let's go.
The Nigerian state have intensified.
No, start from here.
This fight is our fight. We will fight to the end, and we will make sure we totally liberate Biafra land. In Okiwe, Biafra land, the Nigerian state have intensified on the attack. Right after Commander Gentle, just a few weeks ago, he made a statement. The Nigerian state have vowed that they will bring the Okiwe commander down. We rest assured them
Did you watch his
that
finger?
we will fight
Did you watch his
and we
finger?
will defend Biafra land.
Did you see his finger up, right? So I am not capping. Now listen, let's now focus on what he's saying.
Last night I was following what is happening in Okiwe. I'm not able to sleep. And I figure out I have to be physically fit as well. That's why I'm doing this exercise, because you have to be physically fit, mentally, spiritually, and otherwise to be able to defeat your enemy.
He's here trying to copy Biafran Prime Minister Samonekpa, often broadcast, making statement like this while doing some exercise. And he choose the same similar venue that PM normally go. How many of you remember when PM will climb this kind of step here? Look at the marks here. These steps, PM will climb this place, for example, and you know do some press up or jump, running and everything in this kind of environment. The guy, because he said he's acting prime minister, he actually believed that he will start eating the kind of food that PM eat and do the same exercise that that he would like to do everything. Maybe he traveled to Finland to see the kind of houses that PM lives in. So he will, maybe probably he must have moved to similar house in US where he lives. Now let us hear him. It's quite funny, to be honest with you. This one cannot disappoint, honestly.
And for those supporting Ngozi Orabeze or funding her, what is happening in Biafra land in Okiwe today? Ngozi Orabeze hand is in it.
Did you hear that? Did you just hear that? That after he started by telling you that Nigerian army and DSS and whatever have intensified the attack on Okigwe. Okay, they are fighting everything and doing this, that, and then he's now telling you that it's US that's actually working with a Nigerian security outfit to buy Biafrans. Knowing fully well that this thing is not true because there's no evidence. Our own is evidently based. If you tell us, we ask you, prove it. Prove it to us. Now, listen.
Ngozi Orabeze team up with the Nigerian state terrorist country.
So, all these things for you to feel that, oh, CS is the one sponsoring. I don't know when Nigeria begin to need, when they started needing, when they start need Biafrans to donate money for them to fight. They have money. Oh. Nigeria is not, Nigeria government don't lack money to fight Biafrans. They have it as long as they have access to the oil from Biafra land. That means if you are looking for who is sponsoring the Nigerian to do anything, you can check those that are draining oil and those who enable oil for them to do what they're doing with it without giving account of gold in Safara. If you are part of that, if you are the one people, if you are one of the people that I expect them to go on, Nigeria is one. You are part of, you are the one sponsoring the attack on Biafrans. Not all this thing this guy is saying here because they've told you that Lagos State don't have any army. Remember, now they are not telling you that Lagos State is now working that is a Bubago. And then the next thing they will tell you is that they are working with all this nonsense. I mean, I don't understand. Anyway, let's just I will not be the one to tell you how to reason. We don't do it here. We can only tell you what to think. Then while you listening to him, allow your brain to work.
To bring both a Bubago or the terrorist And in Okiwe now, you have over 50 armor tank fighting against our liberation army. And the good news is that we are fighting back and we are dealing with them. Shame to you, enemy of Biafras. Shame to you, those funding Ngozi.
The subject of this matter is this thing that he's saying here now, nothing more. That shame to anybody funding us because he want the fund to come to. He actually believed that if you stop funding United States of Biafra, that you don't know what to use your money to do. That money must enter somewhere, and he believed that his purse is still open and empty. That people can also, since you don't know what to use the money to do, what you want, you don't know what to use your money for. That the best place to put it in his pocket. The question is, I'm not telling you not to sponsor Ogenkere or Biafra Liberation Army or anything at all. That's not what I'm saying here. My own is that follow your conscience. If you are paying for something, isn't it? And you want that to be accounted for, and you would like to deal with somebody who is truthful and honest. I guess maybe I am wrong, but this is what I feel that you may want to. You understand? Something that you may want to do. Then between COS and this guy, who do you think so far that is telling you the truth? I'm just asking. Some people can be funny. I don't want to talk about the issue of different liberation army and what is going on. That like the letter that I know that is in public domain. I don't want to bring it on this video. Why? Because I don't want it to center. I don't want it to, this video to be centered in an issue that is related with different liberation army. Because I know many of you, oh, you are insulting different liberation army. Oh, you are attacking different liberation army. I'm not attacking anybody. I'm trying to figure out who actually is saying the truth. Who? The reputation of this our brother, what they have said so far, what they have done so far is all questionable from A to Z. So how do you expect me to overlook it because of your interest? It doesn't work that way. All right? Hear him.
To kill our own people. Any innocent Biafra that is killed, those that are part of funding the Nigerian state and Ngozi and her group, the innocent Biafra blood is in your hand. This fight is
Very easy to say. Last time I checked, somebody told the Biafran Liberation Army to slow down. According to the post that Royce made, whom you guys have, validated to be one of the commander, all the Ogenkere group, this guy group, are singing praise of him. In fact, he is one of the fundraiser. He always appear in their fundraise. So I just want you to understand reason why I personally doubt everything this guy is saying. And I don't believe it at all because last time I checked, like I said, they told us at the initial time that the Biafran Division Army should stop their operation and let Biafran buy and Biafran bide. And their slogan then is to tell us to bring his army to go and fight for you. I can't that single act of you guys can never ever be flushed away in my memory because I have not seen anybody, not even Wazurike, that many people consider to be one of the traitors or do not agree with his own stuff, what he did and all that. He did not even do that. But imagine what you guys are doing at the moment, or what you have done rather. Just imagine that those people that died and lost, they lost everything. Their houses were burned down, and during the time that you guys refused to use this guy in his order stopped this army from working. Don't tell me, oh, it's a lie, it's a propaganda. Like I said, the man called Commander Royce constantly said that Betty Ford said it on his video, on her video rather. These are the two individuals that it's not as if I'm not saying that somebody told me. I watch them, I listen to them, I read their articles. So don't tell me that I don't know what I'm talking about. That is what happened. They may have deleted the post, they may delete the video, but in my memory it is still fresh. And I can tell you that I'm not the only one that read or watch their videos during that time. They bragged about it. Go and tell, in fact, any of you that are gonna watch the video, please validate this on a comment section. Did you or did you not watch these people telling us that they told army, Biafran Liberation Army, to slow down? Or some of them did not even use quote it that way. Some of them said, you said that Ngozi Rebese said that she have army now. Tell her army to come and do that. Each time you ask where is our army, what is going on, that's the reply you get from outside. I'm not talking about cabinet member asking their asking each other this question. Biafrans, people like us watching from afar, following everything through social media without being in any group of decision making of anything at all. We are looking for a way to find out what's going on, seeing the images coming out from different land, especially in Imo State, and it was not funny at all. All of us were kind of worried what is going on. How can we? There's a video of a family being tied from everybody. In fact, one of the cousins that visited them he lost his life because they made sure that everybody from that house did not make it alive. And who, on his instruction, they did not even declare it at home, remember? They ignored everything. It was when they wanted to try to do, because they noticed that Biafrans are seeing them as pure sabotage. They started telling Biafrans, okay, let us declare it at home, which they ended up disgracing themselves. They actually believe that they can, I don't want to talk about it at home, so that people will not say, oh, you are insulting or mocking anybody, because they have tested their power, and they have, trying to test to measure their strength, but all of them failed. Honestly, it is shocking. And one thing about the guy, he realized it's not clear to him now that he don't have that power that he thought he would have by now. That's why each time they want to talk about it at home, he tell you that producer said he don't put himself there acting prime minister. Remember, he's acting prime minister. I can't remember when PM declares at home and say producer said, but you are trying to tell the whole world that you are now a replica of PM. In fact, you are just PM, and that's why you choose to do exercise now, like PM normally do. Dish out some instructions and make some videos that shake everybody, like people, Nigerian security outfit and all that. They will begin to panic and all that, seeing the guy waxing and doing everything that he know how to do best, which is putting out the truth there and protecting Biafra land. Now, let's continue from him. Then you see him trying to copy everything that PM do in a different style. Listen.
Fight, and we must liberate Biafra land.
So you are watching him doing the exercise, and just like PM normally,
This fight
do. Listen.
is our fight.
Uh-huh.
We must
Uh-huh.
win.
Oh. Oyegu. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Ndị ajụjụ afọ agba afọ na honestly. This issue of freedom, a messy joke. Can you imagine? Ọ na-adị mma dị ịdị ka Chizuike. Just be yourself. Do not copy anybody. Be yourself. You have more respect. Do not try to live a life of other people. Watch. Ọ na-aba.
Must win. And you never give up. Don't give up.
Okay. Say don't give up. That's the message from uh, Ogenkere. Now, this is another propagandist that I want us to discuss. Many of you know him on X. This guy, this faceless guy, he is one of the people that because of him and people like him, but basically because of him, that is why the thumbnail here says homemade propagandist. Okay, they are all homemade. without adding any advanced way of propaganda. They choose to do it the way they know how to do this. Now, after listening to what Ogengere said here about what is going on in Okigwe, and this guy said here, read his caption. Then you are going to listen to the audio. Okay, I think let us before reading the caption, let us watch this. Okay, this is the video that he attached to his write-up, and I would like you to hear this. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Watch.
DSS Ibubago ndị US ọkwa ha na-eme ha kwuru na ahụ ya eji ahụ ọnụ n'aka ọrụ gụ eri ya n'aka ọrụ gụ lekwe ya lee ya lekwu na ahụ ya ọhịa ọwa ọkụ ka na-emu ya ha lee ya ele ya ndị a mere ndị owu Biafra Liberation Army ọwa ebe a ka ndị Biafra Liberation Army nọ Biafra Liberation Army shebe afọ lekwe ya agbaala ya ọkọ Biafra Liberation Army shebe afọ afụkwala ha n'akụ bọta aka na agbụlọ amụgụ m ihe ndị ukwu ndị akụrụ na ha akpatụ m akụ na ha achụkwa okwu ekwena ya lekwunu na ahụ ya ọnụ mekegwu lekwe ya ọkwụrụ na ahụ ya ọ karịkwa ada ọ karịkwa agba ọkụ kwunu na ahụ ya ya ahụ ụlọ ọfịa that is ụlọ omeze ọya dị ya alọkwa ha ndị a na-achọ nothing lekwe ya ndị a na-adọrọ ebe a na ha agbakwala ebe ọkụ lekwe kwunu na ahụ ka na ọkala ekwu ọkụ akwala ekwu ọkwa ka ọ ghara iwe ruo tirile ya dị na o mere otu ọzọ lekwe ya a na-achọ ụmụ ọma lekwe ya ọgbakwara ụlọ dị ụlọ ọkụ lekwe ya kwunu ndị anyị nkara ahụ ọkụ kala ekwu ya ọkwunu na ọhụ kala ekwu ya ọ bụbụkwa ebe ọzọ arụkwaga ebe ọzọ lekwe na ya kwunu na ahụ ya ụlọ niile nọ na-akụ sọmọfụ ụlọ ndị nọ na-aka akụkachara ya ụnụ kara akwụkwọ ụlọ ndị mere nkụka lekwacha ya ọ ha mere ha lekwa ụlọ ha kụturu ya lekwa kwunu ihe ha mere ya lekwacha ụlọ ha awụghị ọrụ ndị DMC lekwacha geeti mmadụ lekwa ha mere lekwa ya ọ ha mere ha ọkwacha ndị amị ọkwechiri ile ya ada na gịrị lekwacha ya kwunu na ahụ ya ụlọ ha kụkara akụkọ ebe a buru ibu na-enweghị ikwe na ya ahụ ụmụọma anụzikwanla akụ kwunu na ahụ ya
now you have watched that, and at least you heard what the person said, what the person said and his own side of the story. Let us read from this guy, one of the Adadorama. This is Adadorama in female form of Adadorama. This guy. Now read this. Tell me the difference between Nigerian Zoo Army and Fulani Bandit. They are all the same. This, after saying that, this is, but he said this is what the Nigerian Zoo Army did in Okigwe State in Biafra land. They said that they are fighting Biafra Liberation Army, but destroying the houses of innocent people. Okay? Now, this is the issue, right? The question is, when you said, for example, okay. For example, that they said they are fighting Biafra Liberation Army. They said they are fighting Biafra Liberation Army. The audio made it clear. This audio made it clear that Nigerian Army, what is the name of this, Ebubago, okay, is there destroying Biafra land and fighting together. He also made another post where he talked about COS sponsoring, buying of our people. Now that you know, according to your post here, that you know that it is Nigerian Army, and you also said that the same thing with the bandit. You said it here. Then where is Ngozi Arabeze, or Ngozi Arabeze is the one destroying different land and all that you guys are saying? Even their ATM said it in the video that Ngozi Rebeze is now working with again is now working with Nigerian security force. How? Do you understand it now? How? Because you cannot just lie and expect people to believe you. Next post from this guy, if you see his next post, you understand that everything he's saying is just against Biafrans, against Biafran, United of Biafra, because he actually believe what their Oga is saying, which is Ogenkere. That Ngozi is this, Ngozi is that. After telling us now that Ngozi, look at it. You see this one, right? After telling us that Ngozi Rebeze, you yourself mentioned who actually is responsible for the destruction going on in our land. You see how they call the picture? Well edited. Even if it is real, I don't know. But they are normally cut it this way because I don't believe any post from this guy until is verifiable. If I did not verify it, I cannot tell you that look, this is what is going on. Look at this one, another propaganda, propagandist. This video is video that I played yesterday, where this is Otopokpo why is your child in France claimed that the US made her happy. Then when you read this homemade propagandist, Sana Parawas right up here, it's always going land with what Okute Biafra and all of them, what they normally do. Look at, he said, shame, no allow her breathe. Psychiatric hospital of Georgia. Where are her zombies followers? This is somebody that PM will tell Biafra that you should follow the template and can hinder by beacon. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. So the list go on and on. I don't want to show some of the images of people being plied and anything here. That's why I'm trying to slow down. But you get the message, right? So please like the message, click on like this video rather, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Make sure your comment is there because I want to read your comment. I want to know what you think about all these things. God bless you and see you again. Bye bye for now.